Hi guys, welcome back to my video. In today's video, I'm going to talk about unlimited credit limit increase with Apple Card, which is a credit hack on how you can get unlimited credit limit increases with your Apple Card. So if you're interested, stick around. So first, let's talk about what is the Apple Card. So the Apple Card is a credit card from Apple. It is a hard pull from TransUnion if you decide to apply. Recommended score to apply minimum is 650 FICO. This is what I believe you should do if you decide to apply. There has been some that I've been aware of that applied for this card that's in the high 500s in the low 600s, but they didn't have any negative or derogatory items on their report. So just a heads up. Also, to apply, you would need to apply through your iPhone. Also, it's best to have no negative or derogatory marks when applying with the Apple Card. Just because, this card, if you have that, your interest rates may be higher. So let's get into the credit hack tips on, this entire video of what we're trying to do is increase this credit limit. So if you do have the Apple Card already, or if you're thinking about applying, you can also do this the same day that you apply. So first, you can request the credit limit increase the same day when you apply, when you get approved. Also, the credit hack that I'm talking about this is a credit hack where you can use your card 20 plus times and pay it right back. Once you use your card 20 times, something small. So this isn't something like, I'm not saying max out your card. I'm just saying do 20 transactions on your card. So a good way to do it is like if you buy like a 99-cent app from the Apple Store 20 times, or if you have kids or something, you can buy Roblox or something that something small. You can buy Apple songs. I think they're like 59-69 cents. You can do something really small. You can go to McDonald's or Burger King 20 times, or something really small, but make sure it's a 20 transactions. 20 transactions is what, or plus, is what you will want to do. Then after you pay it right back, and after give it some time, then you will go ahead and request the limit increase within the app. And you can do this every other month to get an increase. So usually credit card limit increases are like 6 months, 3 months. So this is really cool because you can do it every other month, which is pretty cool. Like, I don't know any other card that does this, but this is the hack that you want to show that you're using this card 20 times. And then you will ask them for an increase, and then it will get their approve. And also, it doesn't hurt to try. Look, if you guys this is the first time hearing about this, go ahead and try it out. There is no hard inquiry to try this. It doesn't hurt to try it out. If you use this 20 times in 1 month, use it on something small to see, if if you want to try it out and see if it works for you. But this is the credit hack, and you can get a credit limit increase by doing this. So let's get into the details on how to request this credit limits. So you must go to your wallets on your iPhone, and then when you go onto your wallet on your iPhone, you will select your Apple Card. So if you have several other cards in your wallet on your iPhone, just go ahead and select your Apple Card. Then you will send a message, basically, and it's like 3 little dots, or you'll see something where it says send a message, and then you'll send a message, and then you basically say, hi, I would like to request a credit limit increase for my Apple Card. If you're having trouble with that, you can also text Apple and ask them to be connected to someone who can help you request a credit limit increase, and then they will reach out to you, and you can do the same thing once someone reaches out to you. They should confirm within 24 to 72 hours with their approval, if sooner. Also, make sure your utilization is low when you're doing this. So like I said, make sure you pay it back. Definitely don't ask for a credit limit increase if your utilization is high, like above 30%, even 20%. Just make sure you're showing that you're able to responsibly use this credit card and that you're using it. They just want to, basically is the hack of that. So my thoughts on this: should you get an Apple Card? So for me personally, those that are watching this, I know a lot of people watch my content, and just come and look for more ways to build credit. So for someone that is finding more ways to build credit, I don't necessarily think you should get an Apple Card until your credit is almost to good and excellent, only because it only reports to TransUnion, so it doesn't really give you much wiggle room in the other credit bureaus department. And then the high interest rates can go up to like around 23% basically, and that's a lot. So if you do have like 500, 600, even like low 700s, really your interest rates could really be high. So I don't really recommend this card if you haven't got this card, because you may, if you do use this, you have to pay it back because the interest rates are really high. And most likely, if your score is in those 500, 600s, and low 700s, you will have a higher interest rate. So just keep in mind, I'm just giving you guys my best opinion about this. But it can be useful for those who do purchase Apple products a lot. So I'm not saying that the Apple Card is not bad, but if you're looking to build on credit, this may not be the best because it doesn't offer everything other cards offer. And also, if you do purchase Apple products a lot, then this could be beneficial to you because you do get cash back when you purchase Apple products. So if you do purchase a lot of stuff with an Apple, then this may be good for you. So yeah, I would apply for this card if you have good or excellent scores due to the high interest rate. Yeah, so if your score is like 750 and up and you've already established good credit history with all 3 credit bureaus, then you have wiggle room to have a card that only reports to TransUnion, and then you'll have low interest rates, and then you treat this like as a regular credit card because your interest rates are low. You don't necessarily need this credit card to report to all credit bureaus. And you'll probably, if you do have good, excellent credit, you'll probably just use this for just Apple products only. So you'll most likely not even use this card a lot. If you have other available credit, in your account and your credit profile. So yeah.
Hi everyone, it's Designer Soapbox. I just wanted to make this video to guys let you know that I am having a 50% off sale for 72 hours. Yes, a 50% off sale on the 24-hour express ink removal guide and also the late payment removal guide. So just head down to the description or to the pinned comments and click the link and get your 50% off. Remember, this inquiry removal will help you remove hard inquiries from your credit report within 24 hours. And then the late payment guide will help you remove your late payments very fast, super fast actually. If you're tired of disputing your late payments, waiting 30 to 45 days, this is a quicker method of getting these late payments removed. So if you guys enjoyed a lot of my content, I talk about this in my videos. However, I have this in an ebook. I'm doing 50% off for you guys. If you missed the 60% off sale, I'm doing one for 50% off. So I'll see you guys in the next video, and thanks for supporting, and make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Bye.
that's really it. I just wanted to let you guys know about this credit hack. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Follow me on Instagram at Designer Soapbox. Follow me on Twitter at Soapbox Designer. And I'll see you guys in the next video.